The 2026 KTM RC 125 continues to represent the true spirit of entry-level supersport motorcycles, combining aggressive styling, modern technology, and thrilling performance in a package that is designed to attract young riders and enthusiasts alike. KTM has always been known for producing machines that bring racing DNA to the streets, and with the 2026 RC 125, the Austrian manufacturer ensures that even beginners can experience the adrenaline rush of a track-inspired motorcycle while still being manageable and practical for daily use. This model strikes the perfect balance between performance and accessibility, making it one of the most exciting options in its segment. From the first glance, the design of the 2026 KTM RC 125 is captivating. Inspired directly by KTM's MotoGP machines, the bike features sharp lines, aerodynamic fairings, and an aggressive front profile with its signature LED headlamps. The bodywork has been sculpted not only to look sporty but also to improve airflow, enhancing both performance and rider comfort. The sleek fuel tank, aerodynamic windshield, and race-style tail section give it a premium big bike look that appeals to younger riders who want their first motorcycle to stand out. KTM has also introduced new color schemes and graphic patterns in 2026, ensuring that the RC 125 looks every bit as bold as it feels. Underneath the aggressive styling lies a liquid-cooled, 124.7cc, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine that continues to define this motorcycle's character. Despite being a 125cc, KTM has engineered the motor to deliver a punchy performance, producing around 15 horsepower, which is the maximum allowed in many regions for this category. The power delivery is smooth, yet lively enough to make city rides and weekend highway runs thrilling. The 6-speed gearbox is precise, allowing riders to push the engine to its limits while still maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. With its lightweight frame, the RC 125 offers nimble handling, making it perfect for navigating tight urban environments while also giving riders the confidence to lean into corners on twisty roads. One of the highlights of the 2026 KTM RC 125 is its advanced chassis setup. The bike is built around a lightweight steel trellis frame that offers excellent rigidity and feedback. Paired with WP Apex upside-down front forks and a mono-shock rear suspension, the RC 125 ensures stable, confidence-inspiring handling, even when riding aggressively. The suspension has been tuned to strike a balance between sporty performance and everyday comfort, making it suitable for both track days and commuting. Braking performance is equally impressive, with disc brakes at both ends supported by a dual-channel ABS system for enhanced safety. This combination makes the RC 125 one of the most secure and confidence-boosting bikes in its category. Technology is another area where KTM has worked hard to ensure the RC 125 appeals to modern riders. The 2026 model comes equipped with a fully digital TFT display that provides all essential riding information, including speed, gear position, trip meters, fuel range, and even smartphone connectivity. Riders can pair their devices through KTM's My Ride system, enabling access to calls, music, and navigation directly from the dashboard. This level of technology integration is rare in the 125cc segment, giving the RC 125 a significant advantage over its competitors. Comfort and ergonomics have also been refined in the 2026 version. KTM has adjusted the riding triangle to make it slightly less aggressive compared to earlier generations, ensuring that longer rides are more comfortable without compromising on the sporty feel. The seat is better padded, and the clip-on handlebars are positioned for a balance of control and comfort. The lightweight nature of the bike ensures that even new riders can easily handle it in traffic or during parking. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strong points of the KTM RC 125. Despite its sporty performance, the engine has been engineered for efficiency, allowing riders to enjoy thrilling rides without constantly worrying about fuel stops. This makes it an attractive choice for students, young professionals, and anyone looking for an affordable yet premium motorcycle experience. Overall, the 2026 KTM RC 125 is more than just an entry-level supersport bike, it's a gateway into the world of high-performance motorcycles. With its aggressive design, advanced features, sporty yet manageable performance, and excellent handling, it provides an ideal balance of excitement and practicality. Whether you are a new rider looking for your first sports bike or an enthusiast who appreciates precision engineering in a smaller package, the RC125 delivers an experience that is hard to match. KTM has once again proven that size doesn't matter when passion and engineering excellence come together, making the 2026 RC125 a standout in the 125cc sports motorcycle segment.